Hey guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair YouTube channel. My name is Marta and today I'm going to be showing you 3 quick and easy back-to-school hairstyles that are perfect in keeping your hair out of your face. These hairstyles are primarily focused for my short hair girls out there, but of course this will work with any hair length. Let's get started. The first hairstyle that I'm going to be showing you guys is this triple loop hairstyle. It looks really intricate, but it's actually one of the fastest. Begin by sectioning off your crown and tying it with a clear elastic. To create the loop, just divide the tied up part of the hair and flip your ponytail into the loop you just created. It's honestly really that simple. After you do this once, just repeat the process as many times as you want until all your hair is in these loops. Now, if you want a half up, half down look, pull your hair through a second time and you're good to go. For this tutorial though, I wanted to show you guys what it would look like if you tied up all of your hair. This creates a pretty cool fake braid effect. The next hairstyle is such a throwback to my childhood, but now that I'm a lot older, I wanted to give this classic 90s look a bit more of a refined look. Begin by sectioning off the top quarter of your hair. Now, if you want your ponytails to be a bit more thicker, just gather the top half of your hair instead. Divide the section into 2, and now, instead of tying these ponies towards the front of your face, tie them towards the back instead. To add more volume to this look, I went ahead and curled my hair. I think this gives it a lot more of a bubbly, sporty spice look, and I absolutely love it. The last hairstyle that I'm going to be showing you guys is more of a hair hack. One struggle that I've always had with short hair is that when tying my hair in a ponytail, a lot of the bottom pieces would fall out. In the past when this happened, I would just bobby pin everything in place, but obviously one bobby pin is never enough, and then my head would just end up being full of metal bobby pins, which is not cute and uncomfortable. So now instead, when I want to have a ponytail, I begin first by tying the portion of my hair that normally doesn't fall out, and I leave a small section of hair near the bottom. Now, we're not going to leave the house looking like this, so what I'm going to do is create another small ponytail with the remaining hair. Then all you have to do is blend these 2 ponies together so that the small ponytail is resting underneath the larger one. Not only does this provide your hair with a more voluminous look, you end up with one cohesive pony from all angles. These are all the hairstyles I have for you guys today. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Also in the comments, let me know what other short hair related videos you would like for me to create. I'd love to know what you think. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Bye!